we're actually going to do a practice problem from the puzzle book. Oh, all right. So this is a little advanced, okay? So remember, what did I say about IVs? We need milliliter per hour, right? Volume over time. So we need to see how fast that thing is going, and then we can find out the hours, okay? So I'm going to have milliliter per hour because this is an IV. I need to see how fast it's going first, okay? Milliliter on the top, boom. 0.5 mgs. Because I have micrograms, I'm going to do my 1 milligram is 1000 microgram conversion, cross my milligrams out, and then I could put my 5 mics per kg per minute. Okay, boom, boom. Now my patient's weight is in pounds. Remember, it needs to be in kgs. So therefore, I'm going to do my 1 kg is 2.2 pound conversion. Kgs crosses out. 160 pounds over 1. My pounds cross out. And now I put my 60 minutes over 1 hour. So boom. Just putting together the puzzle pieces. All right. So now I have milliliter on the top and hour at the bottom. So we'll do 5 times 160 times 60 divided by 0.5 divided by 1000 divided by 2.2 equals. So it's going to be 43.6 milliliters per hour. Okay, so that's my goal. 43.6 milliliters per hour. Next part. So that's how fast it's going. We need to always have the rate, okay? Because you have to find the rate of your IV. Because with your, and I explained it in the book, you have to have the rate and then the amount that's in the bag, okay? And that's how you find your hours. So listen, how long will it take? So long, that's time. Our time unit is going to be hour, okay? So this is how we're going to actually answer the question. Hour. We need to see hours, okay? So if we have 43.6 milliliters per hour going, and we are supplied with a 30 milliliter bag, those are our puzzle pieces, okay? So now I can do my hour over 43.6 milliliters times my 30 milliliters over 1. So milliliters crosses out, and this is going to give me the time in hours, okay? So 30 divided by 46.3 is going to be 0.68. So this part is your hour part. This part is your minute part, okay? So now I'll take what's behind the decimal and multiply it by 60 in order to tell me exactly how many minutes this is, okay? So 0.68 times 60 is going to be 41 minutes.